Hi there, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to fix Application.exe has stopped working. So let's get started. Let's see solution number 1. Just click on the Windows search box and type command prompt. Just right click on the command prompt and choose run as administrator privileges. So this will open command prompt with administrator. Guys, there is another way to run command prompt with administrator. Press Windows plus R to open run dialog box and type cmd, then press Ctrl Shift and enter. This will also open command prompt with administrator privileges. Guys, in command prompt type sfc/scan now, then press enter. It will take a couple of minutes to complete scanning of the system files. Guys, in my case there is no any problem in system files. Guys, this whole process can resolve your problem, but still you are facing same problem, please try solution number 2. So press Windows key plus R to open run box and type %temp%, then press enter to delete all the temporary files or folders. You can delete all the files and folders from here. Guys, this will help you to resolve your problem. Delete all. Guys, if this solution is not working for you, please try solution number 3. So double click on this PC and open C drive, click on it. Guys, as you can see, there are 2 program files folder. Number 1, program files which is 64-bit. Number 2, program files x86 which is 32-bit. So guys, where is your crashed program exe file? Search your crashed program file in both folders. In my case, chrome.exe present in x86 program file folder. Double click on it and open this program file x86 folder. Here is a chrome.exe file. Right click on it, choose properties and click on compatibility tab. Under the compatibility mode, please check this box and run this program in compatibility mode for. You can choose here your operating system according to your application software. I am just choosing here Windows 7 for my Chrome. Guys, it was just an example that how to use compatibility mode according to your crashed.exe application file. You can choose from here Windows operating system according to your application software and easily resolve Application.exe has stopped working problem. So I hope guys this video will help you. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.